On Facebook, sometimes you may have added a cover photo, and in the cover photo, if you want to tag anyone, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to tag anyone on your Facebook cover photo. For this, open the Facebook app. After that, above, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your profile name. Click on this profile name. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach your profile, and in your profile, above, you can see your cover photo. Click on this cover photo, and here you can see the See Cover Photo option. Click on See Cover Photo. When you're clicking on that, you can see your cover photo. And if you want to tag anyone, above you can see this button. Click on this button. Tap anywhere where you want to tag someone. For example, if 3 persons are there, click on anyone's face. And you can search for their profile here. For example, I'm searching for one profile, and you can see their profile here. And for example, I'm tagging text only now, but you can tag any profile also here, so others can understand that person's name. So this way, you can easily tag anyone on your Facebook cover photo. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.